In the previous video, we looked at the three publishing options offered by Notion Press: Outpublish, the Notion Press platform, and guided publishing. But which publishing option is right for you? Watch this video till the end to find out. If you haven't watched the previous video, where we discussed the three publishing options offered by Notion Press, click the link in the description to watch that video before you come to this. But to summarize, Notion Press offers three publishing options: a DIY platform where you can upload your manuscript, design the interior and cover, and publish your book all by yourself; a premium publishing service where experts handle editing, design, distribution, and marketing to bring your vision to life; and a budget-friendly option where you publish through the Notion Press platform but with a dedicated publishing manager handling everything for you. But which one is the right option for you? Let's break it down based on what matters most: your goals, your budget, and how much of the publishing process you want to handle yourself. Start by asking yourself, what is my goal as an author? If your aim is to just get your story out there and you want a quick, budget-friendly way to do so, then the Notion Press platform is the way to go. But if you want to build your personal brand and maximize your earnings through your book, then investing in Outpublish or guided publishing is totally worth it. Now let's talk about budget. The Notion Press platform is the most affordable option since you will be handling the entire publishing process all by yourself. Guided publishing comes next, as you get professional support but at a very affordable rate. Outpublish requires a bigger investment, but you get premium services and complete professional support. Finally, think about how much you can handle. The Notion Press platform requires you to be completely hands-on, as you will be working on every aspect of your book. But if you choose Outpublish or guided publishing, you will have experts helping you at different stages of the process. If you're someone who has a clear vision for your book and you don't require any assistance in terms of editing or design, then the Notion Press platform might be the right choice for you. In case you need help in any of these steps, you can always go for the Notion Press platform, and along with that, opt in for an add-on service. Outpublish is for those looking for end-to-end support throughout the publishing process, and guided publishing is for those who require some assistance in some of the steps like uploading and designing your book, as well as want some premium services like proofreading. So which publishing option is right for you? Remember that if you want something in between these three options as well, we've got you covered. Do you have any more questions? Check out our other videos to stay updated about all things publishing. And you can also click on the link in the description to talk to one of our publishing consultants who will help clear all your doubts. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Happy publishing!